This Cricut Design Space tutorial will teach you how to make test cuts to save material, time, and your patience. The first thing you'll want to do is make a shape. I'm just going to choose a star. You can choose any shape you'd like, and I'm going to make it 1 inch. Now, if you're wanting to do text, you can choose the font that you want and maybe type one more complex font to use and also make it smaller. But again, I'm just choosing to make a star. We'll make it. And for the first one, we're just going to use the same standard cut. So if I'm doing this example using adhesive foil, so I'll type in foil and we'll see there's the foil there, and we'll click done and we'll go ahead and make it. For the purpose of this, I'm not going to continue through with this particular cut. So we'll cancel out. However, for the next cut, we will go to make it. We'll move the shape over and then we'll continue. We'll choose Browse All Material again. This time we're going to choose Material Settings. And we will again find the adhesive foil. So here it is here, and it says that the cut pressure is 169. We're going to scroll down to the bottom and choose Add New Material, and we'll call it My Foil. Now I always name all of my custom settings My so that they're easier to find later on. It will automatically scroll us up to where this new My Foil is listed. And we know that the default setting was 169. So let's try going to 179. And that's just saying that it didn't cut enough. It didn't cut through enough. So we'll save that. And then we will scroll back up and then go back into Browse All Material and find My Foil. And then we'll do the cut. In this case, we do not need to change the pressure because we've already done that. And again, I'm not going to cut through this. Now let's say that time it cut and it was too much pressure. We'll go through the motions again. Browse all material, material settings, find the My Foil, which is now down with the M's. My Foil, and we're going to edit it, and we're going to lower the pressure. Now, usually there's more of a change between the different settings, but again, this is just so that you have an idea. So 169 was too much, 179 was too much, so we'll go 172. Well, 173. And then we'll do the same thing, scroll up, X out, browse material, and again find My Foil. And then you click your go button and you do your cut. Now there's one more way to manage your settings that I'd like to show. And that is through the canvas screen itself. You can click over here at the 3 lines at the top right, or what some people call the hamburger. You can go down to Manage Custom Settings. You choose the machine that you're using, and then we have our screen where we can go in and edit. Now, I never edit the actual dial settings or the custom materials. I only create new ones based off of the ones that are already there. I always use the custom setting on the dial of my Air 2. I never use the dial for anything other than for custom cuts. And that's all there is to it. You just cut and do your test cuts until you get the right cut, which for me is generally the first 1 inch or 2 inch strip of vinyl paper, whatever my material is. So if you have any particular requests for a tutorial, please just let me know and I will be glad to help you out. Thank you for watching.